Illuminary who does not need an introduction and who is known to all of us for his wisdom and knowledge. He is none other than our Honorable Governor, sir, Sri Syed Abdul Nazir, sir. Welcome, sir. I request all the dignitaries to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Now, I request our Joint Secretary to Governor, Sri Surya Prakash Garu, to address the gathering with his welcome note.
Respected Honorable Governor, sir, respected Secretary, sir, distinguished guests and dear friends, I extend my heartfelt warm welcome to Raj Bhavan. On the Telangana State Formation Day celebrations in AP Raj Bhavan. Telangana is India's newest and youngest state. When India became independent from the British Empire in 1947, Hyderabad remained an independent princely state for a period of 13 months. The peasants of Telangana waged an armed struggle to liberate the region. On 17 September 1948, the Indian government conducted a military operation called Operation Polo to bring Hyderabad state into the Indian Union. Telangana state was bifurcated from Andhra Pradesh and constituted as a separate state on 2nd June 2014. Telangana is the link between the north and south of India and widely known for its Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb. And the capital city Hyderabad is called as Mini India for its rich cultural diversity. Telangana state is famous for the Etur Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, Pakal Wildlife Sanctuary, Pranahita Wildlife Sanctuary, Kinnarasani Wildlife Sanctuary, Manjira Wildlife Sanctuary, and Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve, Nehru Zoological Park, and historic monuments like the Charminar, Golconda Fort, Qutub Shahi Tombs, Salajang Museum, Chowmahalla Palace, Falaknuma Palace, and Thousand Pillars Temple, and also other tourist places like Mecca Masjid, Hussain Sagar Lake, Birla Temple, and Ramoji Film City, etc. Hyderabad, the state capital city, is one of the top destinations for the IT and pharma industries in the country. The celebrations of Telangana State Formation Day is organized by Andhra Pradesh Raj Bhavan in the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program to promote mutual understandings between different states and union territories through the concept of one nation, one people. With these few words, I conclude my welcome note. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries to have a video message. Sri Jishnudev Verma, sir, Honorable Governor of Telangana State.
నమస్కార్ ప్రియమైన ప్రజలందరికీ తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. On this proud occasion of Telangana State Formation Day, I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt wishes to all my fellow citizens across India. From the land of Telangana, I send you a message of unity, resilience, culture and progress. Telangana is not just a state on the map. It is a vibrant spirit known for sacrifice, aspiration and renaissance. It is an idea born from the dreams of its people, shaped by their struggles and realized through the enduring strength of democracy. Today, Telangana stands tall, the most happening state in the country, with inclusive governance, cultural resurgence, and dynamic development. Our journey as India's youngest state has been one of grit and grace. Rooted deeply in tradition, yet driven by innovation, Telangana today is a living embodiment of moving with purpose, powered by people and guided by democratic values. Telangana, through the adoption of proactive policies, development of world-class infrastructure, and implementation of inclusive growth strategies, has established itself as a leading state in the information technology and electronic sectors, garnering national recognition as the AI and data center capital of India. Telangana is presently undertaking a series of transformative initiatives, including the expansion of metro rail network and the development of the future city, a comprehensive urban development plan that envisions integrated smart infrastructure, economic clusters as sustainable urban living. Telangana firmly believes that the strength of India lies in the unity of its diversity, and our progress is enriched by shared experiences and collective wisdom. Telangana has been tirelessly working to realize the aspirations of every citizen, from farmers and youth to women, workers and entrepreneurs, with the policies aimed to empower every voice and every life. As we celebrate our heritage, we also step boldly into the future by becoming a model state, one of the most urbanized in the country, with sustainable infrastructure, digital innovation, clean energy, and a strong emphasis on welfare. Telangana is a young state, but its soul is ancient. The grandeur of our history in the 1,000-pillared temple at Warangal, the rock-cut magnificence of the Ramappa temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the spiritual calm of the ancient Yadadri Lakshmi Narsimha Swami temple are the soul of the state. The mystic energy of Bhadrachalam, the abode of Lord Rama on the banks of the river Godavari, and the walk through the majestic ruins of the Kakatiya dynasty in Warangal fort echo the tales of valor and devotion. Telangana has a rich, diverse geography that seamlessly blends dense forests, majestic rivers, and awesome natural formation. The state is cradled by the mighty Godavari and Krishna rivers, whose tributaries nourish its fertile plains. Enchanting waterfalls offer a visual symphony of cascading waters amid lush greenery. Renowned wildlife sanctuaries serve as a vital habitats of wildlife. This confluence of natural wonders not only defines Telangana's scenic beauty, but also underscores its ecological and environmental significance. These sacred places, cultural gems, and natural scenic wonders are not just Telangana's pride, they are India's shared legacy. I warmly invite all fellow citizens across the country to visit Telangana, to immerse in its spiritual aura, architectural splendor, and cultural soul. Let us continue to learn from each other, support one another, and walk hand in hand toward a future that is just, inclusive, and radiant with opportunity. Let us together realize the dream of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, a nation where every region, every culture, every voice finds its rightful place in the symphony of national progress. Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.
That was a video message by the Honorable Governor of Telangana State, Sri Jishnudev Verma sir. Thank you. Telangana is a state in southern India. It became the 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. Now I request, please play a short video on the Telangana state. That was a wonderful video on the Telangana state. Thank you. Now, I cordially invite G. Venkat Karthika to share her thoughts.
Respected Honorable Governor Sir and Secretary Sir and distinguished guests here, a very warm morning to all of you. And I'm very honored and privileged to share my thoughts on a very happy occasion of Telangana Formation Day. As we all know, Telangana is one of the fastest growing state in India, which is renowned for its rich agriculture and heritage and dance traditions. Like many festivals, it is renowned for its festivals like Bonalu and Batkama. Perini Shivadattam is the dance of warriors, and it is classical dance from Telangana. It is also performed before a battle to inspire warriors. And Telangana is known for its rich heritage and art and crafts. The state is famous for integrated Brideware and Minecraft and Pochmalli and Nirmal paints. As we all know, Telangana is one of the renowned educational institutes like Indian School of Business and National Institute of Fashion Technology, IIT like IIIT. Telangana boasts for its rich transparency like cultural personalities, freedom fighters, artists and writers. We include some portrait freedom fighters like Komaram Bhim and poets like Kajol Narayan Rao and C. Narayan Reddy, artists like Lakshman Gaud and Narsingh Gaud. With these few words, I conclude my speech, and I'm really grateful for Honorable Governor Sir and all the Rajbhavan officers for giving me this great opportunity. Thanking you all.
Thank you, dear Karthika. Now, I invite Miss Jayasai Vaishnavi to sing a melodious fusion song.
Thank you so much for this kind opportunity, sir. This is a light song which depicts the beauty of the language Telugu. Light music song. ఏరు పాడింది జాను తెలుగులో, పైరు పాడింది పాల తెలుగులో. ఏరు పాడింది జాను తెలుగులో, పైరు పాడింది పాల తెలుగులో. గాలి పాడింది వెన్నెల తెలుగులో, గాలి పాడింది వెన్నెల తెలుగులో. పల్లెటూరిలో నా ఎంకి పాట ఎలతేట తెలుగులో. ఏరు పాడింది జాను తెలుగులో, పైరు పాడింది పాల తెలుగులో. వెలుగు ఎలుగెత్తి పిలిచింది, పులుగు కను విప్పి సాగింది. నింగి నేల నీరు ఊరు, నింగి నేల నీరు ఊరు. పొంగి పొరలింది తెలుగులో, పొంగి పొరలింది తెలుగులో. ఏరు పాడింది జాను తెలుగులో, పైరు పాడింది పాల తెలుగులో. గాలి పాడింది వెన్నెల తెలుగులో, పల్లెటూరిలో నా ఎంకి పాట ఎలతేట తెలుగులో. ఏరు పాడింది జాను తెలుగులో, పైరు పాడింది పాల తెలుగులో. జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయ కేతనం, ముకోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం. జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయ కేతనం. ముకోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం. తరతరాల చరితలు గల తల్లి నీరాజనం. పద పదాన నీ పిల్లలు ప్రణమిల్లిన శుభతరుణం. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. పోతన్నది పురిటిగడ్డ రుద్రమ్మది వీరగడ్డ. గండర గండడు కొమరం భీముడే నీ బిడ్డ. కాకతీయ కళా ప్రబల కాంతిరే కరామప్ప. గోలుకొండ నవాబులు గొప్ప వెలుగే చార్మినారు. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. జానపద జనజీవన జావళీలు జాలువారే. కవి గాయక వైతాళిక కళలా మంజీరాలు. జానపద జనజీవన జావళీలు జాలువారే. కవి గాయక వైతాళిక కళలా మంజీరాలు. జాతిని జాగృతి పరిచే గీతాల జనజాతరా. అనునిత్యం నీ గానం అమ్మా నీవే ప్రాణం. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయ కేతనం. ముకోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం. తరతరాల చరితలు గల తల్లి నీరాజనం. 10 జిల్లల నీ పిల్లలు ప్రణమిల్లిన శుభతరుణం. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. జై తెలంగాణ జై జై తెలంగాణ. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. पीड़ पराई जाने रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. पीड़ पराई जाने रे. पर दुखे उपकार करे तोय मन अभिमान ना आने रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. पीड़ पराई जाने रे. समदृष्टिनी तृष्णा त्यागे परस्त्री जेने मातरे. समदृष्टिनी तृष्णा त्यागे परस्त्री जेने मातरे. जिह्वा तक असत्य न बोले पर धन नव झाले हाथ रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. पीड़ पराई जाने रे. सकल लोकमान सहोने वंदे. निंदा न करे के नीरे. वाच काच मन निश्चल रखे. धन धन जननी तेनी रे. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. पीड़ पराई जाने रे. जय हिंद. Thank you so much.
That was wonderful, melodious fusion song. Thank you, Mr. Jaisai Vaishnavi. Now I request Srimati P. Padmapriya to deliver her speech.
Respected Honorable Governor Sir, respected Secretary Sir, distinguished guests, dear friends, a very good morning to you all. I'm very happy to stand before you and share my views with you all on the happy occasion of Telangana State Formation Day. Telangana, India's youngest state, is a fascinating blend of history, culture, and modern development. This 29th state is approximately 2,000 years old, with links to great empires like Satavahanas, Kakatiyas, Ikshwakus, Qutub Shahis, and Asaf Jahi dynasties. The Satavahanas rose to power after the fall of the Mauryan Empire during the 3rd century before Christ. The Kakatiyas are known for their architectural achievements, like the Warangal Fort. The Charminar is a famous monument in Hyderabad and is a popular symbol of the city. It was built in 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Telangana is one of the fastest growing states in India and has emerged as a major economic and technological hub. It houses several multinational companies and has a thriving IT industry. Hyderabad's IT exports are second in India, with over 9 lakh employees in the IT sector. Telangana has produced many eminent personalities in various fields. Some notable individuals include ML Jayasimha, Shivlal Yadav, Mohammad Azharuddin, VVS Lakshman, Mithali Raj, cricketers, Sania Mirza, the famous tennis player, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Olympic badminton player, Mukesh Kumar, hockey player, and many others. With these few words, I conclude my speech. I am very thankful to Honorable Governor Sir and officers of Raj Bhavan for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Srimati P. Padmapriya. Telangana boasts a vibrant traditional and folk dance heritage with unique and energetic styles. Some of the most popular include Perni Sivatandavam, Lambadi, Dappu, and especially Batakamma dance. Now I invite Padmapriya, Durgarani, Bindu Madhavi, Roja, Pratibha, and Madhavi Reddy to perform Telangana traditional dance Batakamma.
తలకు ఓసుకున్నట్టు సందమావ ఓ సందమావ అలికి ఉన్న వాకిళ్ళు సందమావ పడుసు పిల్ల నవ్వినట్టు సందమావ ఓ సందమావ పరుసుకున్న ముగ్గుల్లో సందమావ పిల్లల పోడోలే పల్లె తెరిసి జ్ఞాపకాల ముల్లె ఆడబిడ్డలా చూసి పావురంగ పూలు పూసి ఎలుగుతున్న కండ్లతోటి సందమావ ఓ సందమావ ఎదల తడిని నింపుకుంది సందమావా ఒక్కేసి పువ్వేసి డొల్లబడబోసి శ్రీరామ రఘురామ తుమదీయలో రెండేసి పూలేసి డొల్లబడబోసి శ్రీరామ రఘురామ తుమదీయలో ఏమి పూలో గాని ఎంత గుమగుమ శ్రీరామ రఘురామ తుమదీయలో పువ్వుల్ల విలువ తెలుపవేసలియా శ్రీరామ రఘురామ తుమదీయలో పువ్వుకు పుట్టేడు కాయకు తట్టేడు కొమ్మకు కోసేడు ఎత్తెత్తు మొగురాల ఏడేడు బంగ్లాల గౌరమ్మ కూసున్న గద్దెలు ఏలేని సీతమ్మ కూసున్న సీసాపలేలేని గౌరీ కాటమరాయ కటువయ్య పూలు శ్రీలక్ష్మి నీ మహిమలో గౌరమ్మ చిత్రమై దోచనమ్మ గౌరమ్మ బతుకమ్మ బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో బంగారు బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో బంధాలు కలిపేనే ఉయ్యాలో బాధల్ని బాబేనే ఉయ్యాలో
That was great and lovely performance. Thank you, dear friends. Now, I cordially invite our Honorable Governor, Sri Abdul Nazir sir, to grace the occasion and address the gathering.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students, Andiriki Namaskaram. At the outset, I extend my warm greetings and heartiest felicitations to you all on the occasion of Telangana Formation Day. Telangana Formation Day is celebrated on 2nd June, commemorating the formation of Telangana as 29th state of India on 2nd June 2014. Actually, we should have celebrated Telangana Day yesterday, but I was not available here. On 1st November 1965, Andhra Pradesh was merged with the Telugu-speaking areas of the erstwhile Hyderabad state to form United Andhra Pradesh. On 2nd June 2014, these merged areas of Hyderabad state were bifurcated to form the new state of Telangana as 29th state of India. Hyderabad city, the capital city of Telangana, has earned the name Pearl City, as the city is associated with the lucrative trade of splendid pearls and various forms of jewelry made using pearls. Eminent poet, Telugu poet and lyricist Sri Dasharati described Telangana in his poem as Na Telangana Koti Ratnalu Veena, meaning my Telangana is a veena that shines with a crore of gems, right? Telangana was distinguish the predominantly Telugu-speaking region of the erstwhile Hyderabad state from its Marathi-speaking region of Marathwada. Geographically situated as south of north and north of south, the state has been for a long time a meeting place of diverse languages and cultures. It is the best example of India's composite culture, pluralism, and inclusiveness. Located on the uplands of Deccan Plateau, Telangana is the link between the North and South India. The region is well known for its Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb, and the state's capital city Hyderabad is often called a miniature India. Telangana's cultural history dates back to more than 5,000 years. During the rule of Kakatiyas, Qutub Shahi and Asaf Jahi dynasties, the region became an important cultural hub of the Indian subcontinent. Festivals like Ugadi, Sri Rama Navami, Bonalu, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Dasara, Deepavali, Sankranti, Holi, Mahashivratri are celebrated with pomp, gaiety and devotion. Dasara is the main festival and is also called Pedda Panduga. Batukamma, a part of Dasara festivities, is unique to Telangana, in which women wear glittering costumes and jewelry and carry beautifully stacked Batukammas with flowers like Tangedu, just now we saw, no? Tangedu, Gunugu, Chamanti, etc. to the village or street meeting point, making circles around the assembled Batukammas. Women folk make rhythmic sounds by reciting devotional songs in a group. These songs have their roots in Puranas and history of the region. The feat culminates in Saddula Batukamma, where the villagers immerse the flower stakes in the nearby tanks and lakes. Bonalu is yet another major festival celebrated during Telugu month of Ashadam, wherein goddess Mahakali is worshipped. The festival is also considered as thanksgiving to goddess for fulfilling the desires of devotees. When it comes to cuisine of Telangana, the world renowned what? What is that? Hyderabadi biryani steals the show. Of course, it is only for non-vegetarians. I am sure some of you are vegetarians. But I am a pakka non-vegetarian, right? Originating from the kitchens of Nizams of Hyderabad, it is one of the most popular dishes of the city and is distinctly different from other variations of biryani. The Telangana cuisine is generally spicier as ingredients such as sesame seeds, tamarind, red chilies, and others are widely used in preparing Telangana dishes. Sarvapindi Malidalu, Sakinalu Garijalu are some of the mouth-watering snacks and dishes that have a special place in the Telangana cuisine. Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao, Bharata Ratna, right, recently conferred. 10th Prime Minister of India, Shri Zakir Hussain, who can forget him? The 3rd President of India, Shri Kaloji Narayan Rao, well-known Telugu poet and freedom fighter, Dr. C. Narayana Reddy, Janapita awardee. Of course, somebody mentioned Shri Muhammad Azharuddin, former cricketer, Sania Mirza, popular tennis player, Saina Nehwal, famous badminton player, have all hailed from Telangana and made the country proud of their outstanding achievements. We have not mentioned about Tollywood here. How can we forget Tollywood? I don't know whether you have seen, what is that famous movie? Shankarabharanam. Omkara Nadalu Sangeeta Medaname Shankarabharanamo. As Indians, we take pride in our country's rich cultural history, heritage and diversity. Celebration of occasions like the Telangana Formation Day brings people of different states together and gives us an opportunity to know each other in a better perspective. It is important to strengthen people-to-people connection and nation building through a common vision of cultural exchange between people from different regions. Mutual understanding and trust are the foundation of India's strength, and all citizens of India should feel culturally integrated. India's rich cultural heritage and history and the development of country is based on the principles of non-violence, justice, diversity of languages, culture, religion, tied in the thread of unity. The Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program aims to forge a strong relationship and bonding amongst all the people of the country and promote mutual understanding between different states and union territories through the concept of oneness. It is aimed at establishing and promoting a sustained cultural connection among people of different states and union territories through language, culture, tradition, music, tourism, cuisine, sports, and sharing of the best practices, and enrich the spirit of national integration. We strongly believe in the spirit of fraternity, universal brotherhood, and the concept of one nation, one people. I once again extend my heartiest greetings and felicitations to the people of Telangana on their state formation day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.